Okay, this is the tag. It just says Marc Jacobs, and then on the back. Welcome back to my channel. It is Joy here. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. All right, so on today's video, it is an unboxing, but real quick before we get into the video, I do want to show you guys these rings. Hold on. I do want to show you guys these rings. These are, focus, my camera doesn't want to act right. These are from my jewelry collection. I will have my website linked down below, so make sure you shop with me. Alright, so on today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the tote bag from Marc Jacobs. So this is my first impression on this bag. I have not opened it, so I don't know what it looks like. So this is the first impression on camera. All right, so I have two packages here. I have this one here, which I got from Essence, and this is the straps. The straps were sold out on Marc Jacobs' website, but I did want like the signature straps to go with my bag, so I went online searching for them. Bloomingdale's had some, Saks had some, but the one that I got was from Essence because they had the exact one that I was looking for. So yeah. All right, this box, I actually did open it because I have been online shopping so much, so I was getting a whole bunch of random stuff, and I was like, I don't even know what this is, and it didn't have the company's name on it. It said like it came from Canada, so I was like, what did I order from Canada? So I did open this. I didn't open the straps, but I did cut the box open, and then when I seen the Marc Jacobs tag, I was like, okay, I know what this is. All right, and this is the tote bag. I haven't opened this at all, so this is going to be first impression. All right. This is the bag, you guys. This is really cute. I love the size. It's not really big. When I was contemplating on whether I wanted to buy this bag or not, another YouTuber, she and her daughter did a review on this, and I think she has like the small and her daughter has the mini. And when I seen the size of the mini, I was like, okay, this is a perfect size for me. I could definitely do this. So yeah, that's it. Super cute. That's just the detail. You guys see the detail. It has like, it looks kind of like a utility bag, and then it has like the Marc Jacobs and everything back there, and then it says the tote bag Marc Jacobs. Super cute. This is the card that comes with it, and it just says Marc Jacobs on it, and then on the back it has Marc Jacobs' website. It just says thank you on the inside, and on the inside it just has my receipts, which I'm not gonna open it, but I already know that's the receipts. It has a return label as well, I guess in case I need to send it back, but so far it's so good. So that's it. Okay, this is the tag. It just says Marc Jacobs. All right, and then it just had this on the inside, and this is just like the care instructions and just a little card that lets you know that this is a legit Marc Jacobs bag. This is the inside of the bag. You guys can see it's pretty spacious on the inside. I mean, I think this is like a good size. These are the straps that come with it, the original straps. As y'all can see, it's just like regular. It's like tan and black. Doesn't have anything written on it, so that's it. So I'm super extra. I love these straps. They're cute. And one thing, you guys, let me just say, this bag is very sturdy. This is really sturdy. This is a good bag. This is very good quality. Like, this is so strong. But yeah, I'm extra, so this is cute and all, but you know, I wanted like the Marc Jacobs logo strap. Okay, so this is the straps. This is what it comes like. Of course, it just has the tag on there, and then it has the Marc Jacobs in the front. All right, so these are the straps. This is what it looks like. It just has like the Marc Jacobs packaging around it, and it's just the black logo straps. Yeah, these are the straps. So it just says the Marc Jacobs, and that's it. All right, so these are a little bit thinner. This is a thin strap. It doesn't look, you can't really tell on camera too much the difference, but this is a little bit thicker and this is a little thinner. So this is the one that I wanted, so I'm very happy with it. This is very good quality again. And then the material on the original straps, it just feels, it looks like I don't know what type of fabric this is, but this just looks like after wearing it for a while, it might get like a lot of stuff, lint and stuff stuck to it. But yeah, this is less likely to, this feels like it's less likely to get like dirt attracted to it or stuck to it. Very pleased and happy with it. I was actually kind of scared that these wouldn't look right together, but then again, it does still have like black and white detail on it, and this goes perfect with it. So I'm gonna put it together, and I might insert a clip of me wearing it so you guys can see like full body what it looks like. All right, so I put the straps on there. This is so cute, you guys. Look at the detail. This is, wait a minute, this is so cute, you guys. Like, look at the detail on that. That's just really cute. It just says the Marc Jacobs right there on it as well, and it has same thing on the sides, as you guys can see. It's just really cute detail. But this is really cute. And then you just see like the little, the Marc Jacobs tote bag. So alright, so that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love this bag so much. I am super excited. I cannot wait to wear it. I'm going to style it. You guys are probably going to see it on my Instagram because your girl is revamping her IG page. Yeah, it's super cute. I just love it. And like I said, I'm going to insert a clip on the screen so you guys can see what it looks like, if it hasn't shown already. Well, if you're this far at the end, you probably already seen that clip. But yeah, this is a really good quality bag. It's very sturdy. This material is very good. So this is going to serve its purpose as an everyday bag for me to put all my things in it. But yeah, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have made it this far, make sure that you hit that like button, give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you comment below. Let me know what you think about the bag. Also, share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you guys next time. All right, bye.